Anyway, guys, I'll be home in a second. And we'll put some music on. Okay? We're gonna put some music on when we get home. That looks so nice. Hola! Hola! I'm on my way home, guys. We're gonna put some music. Oh, thank you for the potato. We'll have all the potatoes. Absolutely. I had a nice evening anyway tonight. It's been nice. It really has been nice. Oh, I'm gonna walk all the way home now. Yeah, I've had a nice night. It's been awful without you. Oh, thank you. So guys, what's been happening on TikTok? Tell me everything. So okay, I'm nearly home anyway. Sam has finished with Holly. Yeah. I don't know if that was an act or what's going on there. I really don't know what's happening there. I don't know. I don't know what's happening there at all. Yeah, they're gonna be fine. They're gonna be fine. You know, he's going. Sam Walker, right? Is probably going through the anger process now. You know, where he's now angry with everybody. Do you know what I mean? That's all it is. I'm sure they'll be fine. He's got, Sam Walker's gone through a lot. You know what I mean? He's going through all these emotions and I think she needs to really sit there and say, you know what, give him a couple of days, and then contact him. I'm sure it's gonna all be fine. Yeah, he's had a brain injury and we all need to remember he's had a brain injury. I'm sure it'll be fine. I hope it's fine. He was only talking about his babies not so long ago. You know what I mean? So they'll be fine. You all sit there because he's had a bit of an outburst and oh my god, they're broken up. Oh my god, this, oh my god, that. You know what I mean? He's allowed to get a little bit angry, a little bit frustrated. He's had a brain injury, do you know what I mean? So he's lashing out a little bit. So I just think people should just give him that a little bit. I've been speaking to myself. Oh, don't forget through what I've just said. So what I was saying is, he's allowed to lash out. He's had a brain injury, right? He's going to get all the emotions of anger, of sad, all this kind of thing. He's lashed out. They've had an argument. It's no big deal. Every couple has an argument, guys. Yeah? I'm sure he'll be okay with Holly in a couple of days, or just give him a little bit of time. You know what I mean? goddamn argument. That's all it is. He'll be right in a couple of days. I went for a drink with my friends, my real life friends. My friend, they are not on TikTok. Believe it or not, I do have friends. I think my battery might die, so stop in the name of love. He didn't stop, he would have run me over. That's London for you. That's London for you. Exposed. Shame. Name and shame. London don't stop. If you're walking in front of a car, they blame you for walking in front of their car. You get what I'm saying? That's London. Angie shout, what? Ruth Starling. Ruth Starling! There you go. I love CLA. I love CLA. I'll be home in a minute. My battery might die before I get home. I'm up this road. We love CLA. Oh, okay, CLA, yeah. We love CLA around these ways. Absolutely, darlings. Roots, darling. Roots. We do. She doesn't bother me. She doesn't talk on me or anything like that. Yeah. I think she's a true entertainer, absolutely. Love or hate her, but you still love or hate her, you still love watching her. Facts. Oh shit, do I have my key? Oh yeah, I do. Right, I need to go for a wee as well, I'm bursting. I'm nearly home, guys. My battery's gonna die. Oh, look at these dogs. Look at them. They're so cute. Look at them. Hello. How are you? Ah! Oh my God, he just attacked me.
So
are you not gonna say sorry?
He does not like drunk people.
Well, can you not apologise?
No, why?
Well, because your dog just attacked me. At least apologise. Apologise like I'd apologise if my dog attacked yours. Wow. Her dog just attacked me and she couldn't even just sit there and apologise. Why? Excuse me, love. Why don't you apologise for your dogs that attacked me? I love dogs. I'm a huge dog lover. But they didn't attack me. And she turned around and says, oh, they don't love drunk people. Let's go back and find out why she doesn't like drunk people. Why her dogs don't like drunk people. Let's go back. What? Nearly bit my finger. I want to know why. You get what I'm saying? I'm going back. Because she at least needs to apologise, because I would do if that was my dog. she's disappeared. That's where she disappeared. She's gone. Wow. Well, since you live here, love, I will be back tomorrow, yeah, for my apology for your dogs attacking me. Did you see that? Her dogs, I just expected an apology, and she turned around and said, my dogs don't like drunk people. Do you know what I mean? Your dogs like children. They're going to attack children. Get what I'm saying? I got attacked by a woman's dogs. God, they went for my hand. She's disappeared. She must have ran. When she got here, she must have ran in that float. Because we followed her. She must have ran in there. Let's go find out, shall we? Let's find out where she is. Roots, darling. Roots. This is the same dogs that used to attack my little Zachy. I don't think much of it, to be honest with you, because I'm a dog lover. But what a stinking attitude to have! What a stinking attitude to have! Yeah, your dog just attacked me. Get out! Absolutely, darlings. At least apologise. Apologise. That's all. Well, it's a good thing I got it on video. It's a good thing I got it on video, love. Your dog's attacking me on video. Yes. My dogs don't like drunk people. Shut up. I'm not embarrassing myself. Absolutely not embarrassing myself. When I get attacked by a dog, I expect an apology. Yeah? I'm sorry my dogs attacked you. But I don't expect my dogs don't like drunk people. I don't expect that. Because these are the same little dogs that attacked my Zachy. They were the same dogs that attacked my Zac. We will come back again. By the way, they were the same dogs that attacked my dog. Yeah? We will be back tomorrow, love. What the hell? She must have ran. She ran in there. She ran in those flats. Fucking ran in there. She was walking real fast. I was like, let's turn around there, man. Your dog don't like drunk people. Let's walk fast. And then she ran in those flats. I know what dogs they were, remember? Because I'm going to download this live. I expect an apology, love. I'm an animal lover. I love animals. But at least fucking apologise when your dogs try to attack me. At least apologise. And you're sitting there having a fucking stinky attitude. Stinky attitude saying, my dogs don't like drunk people. You get what I'm saying? Don't they? Well, we'll be back tomorrow, love. Yeah, when you have your dogs out in the morning. She She ran fast. She ran like a fucking... She ran fast on those. She ran fast on those estates, man. Apologise. If my dog attacks someone, I would say apologise. I'm sorry. That's it. You don't want to apologise? Well, it's on live. I've got your dogs on live, man. That's bad for you. Telling me your stinking attitude, love. What a bad attitude to have. I'm doxing myself. I don't give a fuck. People know where I live anyway. Well, you can do nothing. Shut the fuck up. That's the police! She's been watching me. Open up! You pulled the door, love. You pulled the door.
Push it. Push it.
I can't push it. How do I push it?
Push it.
Push it. Why have you locked this? Why have you?
Nobody locked the car. You're drunk.
You pulled it.
Go in, Angela. You're drunk. Is this the state you're getting?
I'm not happy.
Yeah.
You pulled. Why did you pull the door?
Angela, please.
Can I come in? But you're taking me hostage.
That'd be the end of it, wouldn't I?
You're taking me hostage. Can I come in?
No, actually, it's a good idea. You know, maybe
Can I come in, please?
Get in and hurry up. You're getting on my nerves. And get that bloody thing off me.
I've just been attacked by 2 dogs.
Good.
You know the little rat bags, those grey dogs that attacked Zach? I've just been attacked by those same dogs.
Well, what were you doing in the park with the dogs?
I wasn't in the park. I was walking up the street minding my own business and I got attacked.
I don't believe that for a minute.
Oh, I did. I've got it on my live.
Angela, for God's sake, you go out 6 hours of drinking. Some friends you've got, isn't it? No, it's not funny. Right, they've got your credit card, yeah? You're stupid. Wake up, get streetwise, girl.
Streetwise.
Stupid.
I will get streetwise when I see that woman with her dogs again.
Neighbour called you down there, by the way.
Your neighbour? What neighbour?
I do have people in the
You know you have neighbours in the hood. We'll have all the hoods. I just got attacked by a dog. Yes, I got attacked by 2 dogs that said they don't like drunks. What the hell? Wait till I see her tomorrow. Wait till I see that woman. Wait till I see that woman tomorrow. You know those 2 with those little rats.
You absolutely stink. Have you got the cat's food?
You know, do you remember that
no,
woman?
No, I don't remember. Just get the cat's
with the
food.
2, wait a minute, with the 2 rats of dogs. They used to attack Zach. Those are the ones that attacked me this evening.
Can you hear yourself?
No.
No, it's not funny. Listen.
I just got attacked.
They respect you and don't drink so much. If they respected you,
well,
they wouldn't let
wait until I see you tomorrow.
No, give me the cat food.
Cat food?
Leave it.
I fed them at 4 o'clock.
Turn that damn thing off for 5 seconds. For God's sake.
Here, I'll give it to you. Here, cat food. And what do you want? The biscuits? Here. Yeah. You can have that.
Take that thing off me.
Oh, it's not on you. Here, take it, the cat food.
against my potato diet.
But against your religion, you're about to
Do you know you've got parcels down there? You didn't. You
Have we got parcels?
Get that thing off me.
Now I can see you.
I don't want anyone to see me. If I do, there'll be hell of a trouble. You've got parcels down there. You actually walked by them.
What
Did you
parcels?
know that? Yeah. You walked by them.
Can I
That's
have
how
them,
stupid.
please?
You walked out this house and you walked by them. Now, if somebody come along and pinched them, that would have been it, wouldn't it?
Can I have them, please?
I'm not your bloody.
Well, can I go and get them? Where
They are
are they?
there where they were left.
Okay, I'll go get them
Inside. There's two.
then. Back away then. Back away, demon. Back away.
Which pub did you go to?
You remember
Why'd you
that?
wear that big coat? God, it must be absolutely.
Can I go
sultry.
get my parcels?
Go on then.
Can you leave then? You got to stand up with me then. Let's go and get the parcel. I got attacked by a dog. Look,
did you
look
like
at my hand.
Nothing there. What is it?
You cannot see it,
No.
but I can see it. You can't see it, but I can.
She got dressed up nice in a nice summer frock. Looked lovely. Go out for dinner.
Can
do
you
something
leave,
nice.
please? Can you
Instead of
just
getting
leave?
rotten. You haven't got banned again, have you?
No. But can you just
Makes
leave
a
my
change.
bedroom, please? I'm asking you nicely. Can you leave?
Where's the biscuit?
And there's his biscuits here, yeah? Take his biscuits as well.
no.
Do you want them in your bedroom?
We can leave them in the laundry so that you just take
Please don't hurt me tonight.
Well, the police did ring tonight, actually.
Please don't hurt me tonight.
The police did.
No, please don't hurt me tonight.
Oh, give up. You make out you're such a bloody... My people know different.
Your people. What? Oh my God, I told you there were some people after me. Are they your people? And they keep annoying me. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm pooing my pants.
You'd be lucky. You should be bloody thankful. Very thankful.
What should we be thankful of?
Someone's looking out for you.
Someone's looking out for me. Who?
Let's go quiet. They're all listening. Right,
They are listening. They're listening to you. Who's looking out for me?
people are looking out for me.
Your people. Your people. Can you pass me my parcels, please?
Don't rub it on. I don't-
Just pass me my
What did you
parcels.
do? Did you have a meal when you went out?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, what did you have? Anything nice?
Yeah.
Well, you should have gone to the
Don't tell people because I'm
No,
on
I'm not.
TikTok.
There's a lot of nice little restaurants that aren't expensive down the road.
Yeah, but that's okay. I had a good night.
Good. Well, what did you? Shame you didn't get drunk though, isn't it?
I'm not drunk now.
Good. Well.
Can I have my parcels, please?
Yes, you can go and get them. I'm not.
Okay, I'll go and get them.
Don't trip down the stairs and break your neck.
You hope I break my neck? Oh my God! I thought you was on my side, woman. You want me to go? You said you hope I break my neck.
Twist words? Why do you
You
twist
did
words?
not say that.
You are very
You
classy.
said,
You are very
I hope you go
You
down
are
the stairs
very
and break
cunning.
your
You're not
neck.
silly. You know exactly what you
You
want.
said, I hope you go down the stairs and break
I
your
said
neck.
don't trip down the stairs and break your neck. The way you are.
Sarcastic comment. She was saying that sarcastically. I don't see no parcels, Mum.
They're down there.
Are they
By the
down
door,
there?
By the door, yes. I'd hang on to
Are
the
you,
radio.
are you trying to trap me?
Don't be ridiculous. And I'm tired. I'm going to go to bed.
Okay.
Babysit you, go.
She's trying to trap me. Oh, yeah, I do have parcels.